Hey everyone, if you have been using the Coinbase app and wondering on how to change bank account on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change bank account on the Coinbase app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap on to three dot lines at the top left corner just right here. Then here you can find the profile and settings option. Now tap on it. Then here you can find add a payment method just right here. Now select it. And here you can find that adding a payment method is not supported on my area. So if you have already added the payment method, which is your bank account, and to change it, you can simply remove the old bank account and add a new one. So to change the bank account, you cannot change it directly, so you need to remove the old bank account and add a new one. And that's it. This is how you can change the bank account in the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.